5 AI tools that make money online. Even if you're a beginner. What if I told you there are people making money online without showing their face, without coding, and without spending years learning complicated skills? And no, this isn't hype. These are real tools being used right now by beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that can help you start making money online, even if you're starting from zero. And stay until the end, because I'll show you a simple system that combines all of them. Hey, welcome back to the channel, where we break down simple ways to make money online using AI. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I post videos like this every week. Quick note before we start. None of these methods are get rich quick, but if you stay consistent, they work. All right, let's get into it. 1. ChatGPT. Turn words into income. First up, ChatGPT. This is the easiest starting point because content is everywhere. Businesses need blog posts, emails, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, and most of them don't want to write it themselves. That's where you come in. How to use it. You take a request like, write a YouTube script about fitness for beginners. Then you generate it with ChatGPT, edit it for clarity, deliver it to the client. Real example, a beginner lists a gig on Fiverr. I will write YouTube scripts. Price, $20, $30. They get 1-2 orders per day. That's already $600, $1,000 a month just from writing. Important tip, don't copy-paste. Always shorten sentences, add personality, fix flow. That's what makes clients come back. Mini strategy, pick one niche, fitness business facts, and specialize. It's easier to get clients that way. Now that you can create content, let's make it visual. 2. AI image tools. Simple digital income. AI image tools like Midjourney can turn text into visuals instantly. You type a prompt and get a high-quality image. Ways to make money. Sell digital posters. Create thumbnails. Design print-on-demand products. Build theme pages. Real example. Someone creates motivational quote posters. Process. Generate image ad, text upload to Etsy. They post 30-50 designs. After some time, sales start coming in. Even $5, $10 per sale adds up. Another angle, YouTube thumbnails. Every creator needs better thumbnails. If you can make something eye-catching, you can charge $10 beginner, $20, $50 once you improve. Quick tip, study viral thumbnails. Look at big text, strong contrast emotions, then recreate that style. So now you have text and visuals. Let's add voice. 3. ElevenLabs. AI voice equals easy entry. AI voice tools like ElevenLabs let you generate realistic voiceovers. You don't need a microphone. You don't need your own voice. Ways to use it. YouTube videos, TikTok content, voiceovers for ads. Real example, a beginner starts a fax channel. Workflow, ChatGPT, script, ElevenLabs, voice stock clips, visuals. They post daily. After 2 to 3 weeks, one video performs well. That brings views and followers. Then they add affiliate links, grow the channel. Another opportunity, sell voiceovers. Businesses need ads, reels, narration. Even simple voice clips can be sold. Now let's turn this into actual content. 4. CapCut plus AI video. Content that gets views. Short-form content is one of the biggest opportunities right now. Platforms. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. CapCut makes editing extremely simple. What you can do: auto captions, quick cuts, effects, music sync, reel. Example, a beginner posts 2 videos per day. Format, strong hook, 5 to 7 fast. Facts captions, after 10 to 20 videos, one goes viral. That one video can bring followers, bring traffic, open monetization options. Second method, editing for others. Many businesses don't know how to edit videos. If you can, add captions. Keep it engaging. You can charge per video. Tip: keep videos fast. Cuts every 1-2 seconds. Big subtitles that increases retention. And finally, let's talk about higher-paying work. 5. AI website builders. Simple service, bigger money. AI website builders can create full websites in minutes. You don't need coding. You just need basic structure, simple design. Ways to make money. Local business websites, landing pages. Real example, you message small businesses. Hey, I can build you a simple website. Price, $100, $200. If you get just 3 clients, that's $300, $600. And each site takes a few hours. Why this works? Most businesses don't need complex websites. They just need info, contact page, clean look. AI handles the rest. Now let's connect everything. Bonus: combine everything. The real power is combining tools. Example system: ChatGPT, script, ElevenLabs, voice CapCut, video, AI images, visuals. Now you have a full content machine. That's how faceless channels are built. So yeah, these are 5 AI tools that can make you money online. But remember, tools don't make money. Execution does. Pick one method and start today. Subscribe for more videos like this, and comment which one you're going to try first. See you in the next video.